Hello, my name is Diane Douglas, and I will be doing the sound check first and going through all the sounds. Then I'll scroll through my notes and my handout pages, and then I will do the activity book last. We have A as in apron, E as in equal, I as in iris, O as in opener, U as in unicorn, H as in house, J as in jam, K as in kite, X as in box, Q as in queen, L as in leaf, M as in mitten, N as in nest, P as in pig, R as in rabbit, S as in sock, T as in table, V as in Valentine, W as in wagon, Y as in yarn, Z as in zipper, R as in star, as in fern, or as in fork, as in book, oo as in moon, aw as in saucer, oi as in oil, ow as in out, ch as in chair, sh as in ship, ng as in king, th as in mother, th as in thimble, w as in whistle, j as in explosion, I as in itch, e as in echo, a as in apple, a as in octopus, as in umbrella, b as in bat, d as in dog, f as in fish, g as in goat. So now I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to show, I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to scroll through them. Okay. I'm going to flip it this way so it's easier to see.